shaping and refining its output, ensuring that the human touch is never lost. The skills required in the design industry are also changing. It's not just about aesthetics anymore. Designers need to understand AI, data, and algorithms. They need to be technologists, capable of collaborating with AI and harnessing its potential. However, with change comes uncertainty. There's a looming question. Will AI replace designers? The truth is, while AI might take over certain tasks, it cannot replicate human creativity and intuition. It's a partner, not a replacement. AI brings numerous benefits to the design industry. It boosts efficiency, enabling designers to do more in less time. It brings precision, eliminating human error. But most importantly, it allows designers to focus on what they do best, being creative. The design industry is on the brink of a revolution, and it's all thanks to artificial intelligence. Change might be intimidating, but it's also an opportunity. A golden truth we must remember, especially in the world of design. As artificial intelligence continues to shape the landscape, we are gifted with a chance to grow and evolve with it. Imagine the innovative designs that AI can help us create. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty of it all, it's not about replacing the human touch, but enhancing it. AI can take care of the mundane tasks, freeing us, the designers, to focus on what we do best, creating, innovating, and bringing visions to life. However, to make the most of this exciting future, we must be willing to continuously learn and adapt. We must stay curious, explore the uncharted territories of AI and design, keep our minds open and our skills sharp. The future of design is exciting, and it's time for us to embrace it. After all, design and AI together will create a world beyond our wildest imagination.